Red liquid of your choice, cup or jar, 2 straws, a balloon, and some tape. Pour the liquid into your jar or your cup. Cut the balloon into 2 sections. I tied mine before cutting. Place the large balloon piece over your jar or cup. My glass was too large for the balloon, so I had to find another one that fit. Make 2 holes in the top of the balloon. Insert the straws. Then tape the small piece of the balloon onto one end of one straw. Now press the balloon to simulate your heart pumping. We're using corn syrup for the plasma, red hot candies for the red blood cells. I have navy beans, but I'm going to use those large lima beans for the white blood cells. And we'll be using lentils for the platelets. We also used a water bottle, but you could use a mason jar as well. These are the items needed for our last model: tape, plastic baggies, you could also use paper bags, 2 straws, the bendy ones, and a long printout. This is also optional from the internet. Here, we're just taping plastic baggies to the bottom of each straw, making sure that it's taped really good so that no air can escape. Then we tape the straws together, then tape it to the paper.